almost done. I'm not pulling this stuff out of my butt. There's a can down here.
Where is
Almost ready to poop.
I thought this was the sink we were putting together.
You can poop in your sink if you want.
No.
So, question I have is everyone on YouTube always uses PVC, but no one around here does. I've wondered why. They use PVC for their drain plumbing. Around here, seems like all you can get is ABS.
I thought it was one and the same. It's not?
PVC and ABS are not the same. So, and level. That's downhill. And that's downhill. And that's downhill.
Thanks, Tips.
I think it should all go downhill. Oh, that was my knee.
I got that on film.
Oh. So now we've got the toilet in place. We're just connecting it on the back here with a little hose clamp. Okay, now we put the tank on the back.
How are we gonna?
So you're supposed to anchor it. That's why I was asking if you had a hammer drill, but we don't have one.
Does Dad have one?
And we don't have anchor screws either. Okay, we got it all hooked up under there. Do the honors, Kyla.
It's working.
It's working.
Is it leaking? Not yet.
Does that one work? That one works.
Oh.
You look under here. Anything leaking?
Any leak?
I don't see anything leaking. So then the water travels down there, go poop. Now I know what you're thinking. Why in the world is the drain pipe on the outside of the wall? That's the way the client wanted it. I don't want to see any negative comments about that.
That's the whole thing.
I think it's working.
Can I flush it? Yep. Ready? I'm gonna flush it.
Yeah.
I have a toilet!
You can poop in here now.
I can poop.
You can poop.